Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute top combo on Dress to Impress. So first we're going to need this top right here, and I'm just going to find a pattern. You can use any pattern that you would like. I'm just going to use this one, I think. And then we are going to need this one in, I think, just this normal toggle. Hold on, let me try it first. And then I'm just going to select this as a first color, and then you can leave the rest, but you can change the colors, I guess, if you would like to. I might change the color of this a little bit, maybe like this color. And then we are going to use this shirt here and just sleeves. And then we're going to color that the same color. And I'm just going to color the rest in white, like for the bows, I guess. Then we are going to select this dress. Where is it? Here. And we're going to do sleeves only, I think. Or, hold on. Sorry, it's top only plus no sleeves. And then I'm just going to color this color, like the first color, and then the second color just white. And that's how you can create the super cute top combo on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.